Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to find and manage your password settings on Hubspot. Whether you're new or just updating your security, this guide will make it simple. Start by opening your browser and going to the Hubspot homepage. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it right from the login screen. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Then click on Profile and Preferences to access your personal Hubspot settings. Next, focus on the security section. Here you can review and update your password. Make sure your password is strong by combining letters, numbers, and special characters. If available, consider setting up two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find and manage your password settings in Hubspot.